everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a fabulous day. I'm really excited because I have my September Bolzano bag to open, or Bolzano subscription to say, because there's more than a bag. So I've been opening up Bolzano for a while now. It is my only and, well, my favorite handbag subscription, and I love it. So I get the Lux subscription. So in this one, it's about $43.95, I believe. I'll leave all this information down below. And you get a handbag, 2 to 3 accessories, and then some what they call purse companions, which are beauty items. And it is seriously so great. I can't wait to see what we got this month. So it comes in this duster bag every single time, and you can like use these to store your purses or do whatever you want with them, which is super convenient. So I do have a code, well, it's kind of like a code with Bolzano, and it doesn't give me anything. This is just for you guys, but if you enter in Kitty Gift on their website and add to cart, you will get a free $45 gift with your subscription. So if you are interested in subscribing, definitely take advantage of that. I'm gonna leave in the description box the website, how to get your free gift, pricing information, all that good stuff down below. So if you have any questions or if you want to check out their website and subscribe, that is where you can find that. I'm also going to link down below any giveaways I have going on. As of today, I have 2. So if you had not yet entered, definitely check those out. But anyways, let's get started. I'm so excited to see what I got this month. So it's tied up and it says, "You deserve to be spoiled," which I think is super cute. And I totally agree with. So cute. So inside here is the bag. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love this color. This is perfect for fall, and I love the size of this. So I know I say this in like all my videos, but I live in Florida, and like everyone's like getting all into fall right now and stuff. It's still 95 degrees here. I'm actually going out on a boat in a few hours. But one way like to actually like do fall stuff, like we don't really dress fall, but our accessories can be fall colored and stuff like this. So this is perfect. And this feels like such good quality. I can't believe you get it for the price you do. But anyways, okay, so here is the front. It says Bolzano right here. It does have those little things on the bottom to hold up your bag, and there is a zipper on the back. I love that. Sometimes I'll keep my keys and my phone in the back zipper just so you can grab that really quick and easily, not like have to rummage through your purse. Now it looks like there's a longer strap. Let's get this undone. Oh, I actually really like these straps. So you can put it under your arm. Super cute, awesome. Let's see what is inside. So all the other stuff I'm guessing is in here. So there's a zipper too, which I love, so you can keep all your stuff in there safe. Ooh, there's a bunch of goodies inside. Looks like these are the purse companions, accessories. Get it all out. One thing I love about Bolzano is they always give you options for your bag strap. So I already showed you this, but you also get a longer strap as well that you can easily just put on right on the ends, which is super convenient. So if you prefer that longer style, you have that option. So it's very spacious inside. This is what it looks like. So it has like the black lining. There are 2 side pockets and then 1 zippered pocket. So yeah, this can fit a lot of stuff. This is a great size. I love the color. This is one of my favorites. Oh, and then there's this little keychain thing in front that says BO on it, the Bolzano logo. And you can keep that on or take that off. I think it's cute to keep on. I love this bag. This color is perfect for fall. So cute. And there's a little sheet that came inside that gives us more information on the bag. So it says, "Congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. This month we've chosen the Gabriella bag especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $198. Wow. Gabriella is part of our new fall collection. It comes in plum, terracotta, butternut, and black. What we love about this bag: it has sturdy handles, a convenient long strap, a zipper back pocket, purse feet, top zipper closure, and inside multifunctional pockets." Awesome. Wow, $198 value. And I love that it's vegan. I am a vegetarian, so I try not to wear leather. That's what I love about the subscription. But it seems like such good quality. Like, in these bags, I've been getting it forever. They seriously hold up. So this is so awesome. I love this so much. And this is just the first thing in the subscription. Let's see what else we have in here. So here are the accessories. Like I said, you get 2 to 3 accessories each month with the subscription, and it looks like we have a beautiful scarf and then some jewelry in here. So let me get that open. Oh man, this might be my favorite one I've ever received. So you can tie this to your bag, use it as a scarf, use it as a headband. There's so many different uses for these, but this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Like the detail on this, and it feels so nice. Can you guys see? I'm like covering up myself, but look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. And the colors, and I don't know if you can tell, there's like a woman on there. Can you see the shape? This is so pretty. I love this so much. This is like my favorite month, I think. Oh my gosh. And it goes so well with the coloring of this bag if you did want to tie it around the side, or like just accessorize the rest of you like while wearing this bag, like put this around your neck or your hair, whatever you want to do. Awesome. And then we have some jewelry pieces. So it looks like we have a necklace and some earrings. Oh cute. These are different. I don't have any earrings like this. Very pretty. A little like X shape, but and then there's like a little gemstone in the middle. And it looks like the necklace matches and goes with the earrings, which is great. Awesome. So they always say 2 to 3 accessories, but I think I've always gotten 3, so it's super awesome. But let's move on to the purse companions. So what that is, like I said earlier, is like beauty stuff, like things you can keep in your purse if you want. Ooh, and it looks like we definitely have a beauty theme. Looks like we have some beauty tools in here, so let's get this open. I got some really cute sunglasses. I believe it was last month. I like love them. They're kind of like cat shaped. I'm definitely taking them out in the boat today. I'm so excited. So here is everything. Wow, there's a lot in here. One thing looks like makeup. Let's see. This is the by Desi lip liner, and this is in True Red. Awesome. I actually wear lip liners almost every day lately. Like I have one on now. So let me get this open. Let's swatch it. So here is the color. So it is a pencil. That is super pretty, and it is really like a true red. I don't know if I have any actual like red lip liners. A lot of mine are like shades of pink. Seems like so awesome. I'll definitely get some use out of this. Like I said, I use lip liner often. Maybe I'll put on like a bold lip before I go out in the water today. Then we have a few different like beauty tools that you can keep in this bag. So that's super cool. I'm guessing that's what this bag is for. Yep. And there's like a little side pocket in this bag too, which is cool. So you can keep all these new beauty tools. So we have like some scissors. Oops, I'm sorry, they're all like stuck together. Cool. Oh, and you can see in there it's made with stainless steel. It's like rose gold. And look, isn't the packaging so pretty? There's like the glitter and everything. I don't have anything like this, so I could totally use these. And then we have this. Is this for your lashes? I really want to start wearing lashes more, so this could be really helpful to put your lashes on. Awesome. Cool. I love the packaging, that glitter like rose gold. Yes. And then we have an eyelash curler. Awesome. This was such a good month, you guys. Okay, the purse alone, I love the design of it, the color. Like I said, since I don't really like wear fall fashion because I'm somewhere so warm, I like to have like fall accessories. So this is perfect. The color is great. I love the size. I love the handles. And again, you have this strap. And I love this back pocket. That's like one of my favorite features of this because I honestly use that, like I said, for like keys and phone and stuff like that. And this scarf is the most beautiful one we've gotten yet. Like this is by far my favorite one, and it goes so well with the purse, which is great. And then we also got the necklace and the earrings, which are both very pretty and unique to my collection. The lip liner, I love getting makeup in it. That's like a nice surprise. And then we have the beauty tools in a case to hold them. So I think this was such a great month, like, and totally worth it, the $43.95, like 100%. Especially if you get that free gift too. Like this bag, they said they sell on their website for $198, but through the subscription service, you get it and all this other stuff for $43.95. So again, if you guys are interested, I'm gonna link it down below along with that like free gift option if you're interested. I think I keep saying if you're interested. I know you probably are, right? How tempting is this? This is so great. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.